What foods to introduce? So the current dietary guidelines promote the intake of varied diet. We should be having healthy, nutrient-dense foods comprising a wide range of vegetables, fruits, cereals, preferably whole grains in terms of their dietary fiber intake. Lean proteins are important, and dairy products should be introduced. As the child grows, we may go for low-fat dairy products as well. Cultural factors play a role in determining what is chosen, and this should be respected as well. Though we should guide them in terms of food groups which have certain nutrients which are important. It's often habits to start with a variety of single ingredient fruit, vegetables, grains, and meats in any order to allow for the baby to become accustomed to diverse flavors. We should avoid foods that are high in saturated fat, added sugars, and added salt. This could displace the intake of healthier alternatives and should be limited. There should be no honey because of the risk of infant botulism in the whole of the first year. And whole milk is also not recommended, partly because of the very high renal osmolar load from the high electrolyte content. The protein load is very high in cow's milk as well. And there is a higher chance of GI bleeding from these components. There is no added salt or sugar in the food as well till 1 year of age, though fruits can be used and we can allow yogurt, cheese, and so on. No sweetened beverages, and fruit juice in general terms isn't ideal as well because of its effects on teething, and fresh fruit is better than fruit juice. We should avoid excess of rice-based weaning because arsenic load may be there depending on the source of the rice. Mix of cereals to manage that component. So oats, wheat, and other grains can be used along with rice. Avoid excess gluten load if you're introducing wheat after 6 months and not in high loads as well. Milk is a predominant food source in the first year, and we should still educate the parents on the need for a balanced diet. Avoid over-reliance on foods like potato. These are well tolerated and the children may like them, but the nutritional value is not very good. Avoid discretionary foods like biscuits, sweets, chips. These make the child happier, but they're not the healthy option. And sugary drinks should not be used even after 1 year of age, partly because extra sugar isn't good. We notice hyperactivity in the children with extra sugar intake, and it's obviously going to be damaging to the developing teeth as well at this stage. We should train the parents to really recognize food groups. So protein-rich foods, iron-rich foods, which foods are rich in fiber intake, and water intake should be stressed as well, because if you don't take adequate water when you're having introducing such foods, constipation may be a complication. The variety of foods consumed is also important, and individual foods within each food group can differ with respect to their nutritional profiles. So for example, in the protein-rich group, poultry and meats provide rich sources of niacin and zinc. So meat, poultry, and seafoods are also rich forms of heme iron. The heme iron is more bioavailable than non-heme iron. So this is one issue we should look at vegetarians. So we'll come to that as well.